Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Tire Patch Kit is probably one of the most important tools you can have in your car, especially if you frequently drive on roads with potential hazards like potholes or debris. A flat tire can leave you stranded and cause significant inconvenience, but with a reliable tire patch kit, you can quickly and easily repair minor punctures and get back on the road in no time, saving you time, money, and the stress of roadside emergencies. Number 5. 50003L Tire Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for roadside tire repair. It's designed for convenience and ease of use, even in emergency situations. It includes a tire pressure gauge, pliers, tools to remove punctures, and much more. You'll be prepared for any flat tire scenario. The kit comes in a sturdy blow-molded case for easy storage in your vehicle. Keep it handy for unexpected roadside emergencies. The T-handle design provides better leverage and comfort while you're working. This makes repairs easier and less tiring. It's designed for quick and easy tubeless tire repair without removing the wheel. Get back on the road quickly and efficiently. This kit is a great value, providing all the necessary tools and components for multiple repairs. It's a worthwhile investment for peace of mind. What we like. This kit has all the tools you need to fix a flat, including a pressure gauge and pliers. It comes in a sturdy case, perfect for keeping in your car. If you need a complete and easy-to-use solution for roadside emergencies, this is the kit for you. What people say. Received this today and it appears to be well constructed and a good deal. People have complained of lack of instructions, but they are now included. Note that this does not come with any kind of cement. Instead, there is a grease lubricant used to make insertion of the plugs easier. The plug kit worked great. Way better than those cheap Harbor Freight kits. The T-handle tools are sturdy and do not bend. The lubricant to get the plug in makes all the difference. It's a great complete kit. Really like the quality of the two tire repair tools. They are cast aluminum and have set screws on both sides of the handle that holds on the spiral probe and needle. Number 4. Slime 20133 Tire Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating searches. This kit keeps everything organized and readily available. It has everything you need for quick and easy flat tire repairs. No more roadside struggles. This comprehensive kit includes 6 4-7-ply long tire plug strings, a T-handle reamer, a T-handle plugger, and a pencil gauge. Everything is neatly stored in one place. It features a durable, translucent green plastic case. This keeps it all together and easy to find. The included pencil gauge accurately measures tire pressure in SI, kPa, and bar, ensuring you always have the right inflation. It's built to last, ensuring you're prepared for any flat tire emergency. Keep it in your car and rest easy. What we like. Everything is neatly organized in a compartmentalized case for easy access. It's small enough to store anywhere, yet durable enough to withstand regular use. If you value organization and convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 3. 24 Pcs Tire Repair Kit. This kit is a lifesaver for any vehicle owner. It's designed to quickly and easily fix flat tires, getting you back on the road in no time. It comes with everything you need, a T-handle tool, repair plugs, lubricant, and clear instructions. Repairing a flat tire has never been simpler. The durable T-handle provides the power you need to insert the repair plug securely. It's built to last, ensuring you're prepared for any flat tire emergency. It works on a wide range of vehicles, from cars and motorcycles to trucks and SUVs. It's the perfect addition to any emergency roadside kit. Simply follow the easy-to-understand instructions to quickly and effectively repair your tubeless tire. Get back on the road quickly and safely. Remember, this kit is for tubeless tires only, it's not suitable for tube tires or sidewall blowouts. Always prioritize safety. What we like. This kit includes all the essentials for a quick and easy repair. The heavy-duty T-handle provides extra power for inserting plugs. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective solution for tubeless tires, this is it. What people say. The tools to me all seem robust and top-notch, especially for the price. There are multiple straps inside the nice case to secure them in place. The variety of tools provided is impressive, making it suitable for different tire types and sizes, from cars and motorcycles to ATVs, trucks, and even tractors. The quality of the tools is top-notch. The plugs and patches adhere securely and provide a reliable and durable fix. The clear and concise instructions included in the kit make the repair process straightforward, even for those who are not mechanically inclined. Number 2. AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit. It's made of high-quality steel and meets the highest standards. This kit can handle even the toughest tire repairs. It offers great adhesion, flexibility, and shock absorption. It's built to last and provides reliable tire sealing. This kit is versatile and works on various vehicles. From cars and motorcycles to ATVs and trucks, it's got you covered. The kit includes everything you need for a simple repair. The T-handle and spiral probe make the process easy, no matter the tire. We prioritize customer satisfaction and product quality. Contact us if you have any questions about this repair kit. With 68 pieces, it's a comprehensive solution for all your tire repair needs. It's compact and easy to store. What we like. Made of high-quality steel, this kit is built to last and handle even the toughest repairs. The tools are designed for ease of use, making tire repair a breeze. If you prioritize quality and ease of use, this is the kit for you. What people say. The tools feel solid and durable, not cheap or flimsy like some kits out there. The T-handle reamer and plug insertion tool are heavy-duty and comfortable to grip, even when dealing with stubborn punctures. The kit includes everything you need: plugs, valve stems, extensions, caps, and even a pressure gauge. It's truly universal, worked like a charm on my SUV and my buddy's tractor tire. What really impressed me is how easy the process was. Clear instructions, straightforward design, and the repair held strong through all kinds of weather and terrain. Number 1. ORCISH 70 Pcs Tire Repair Kit. It's a complete solution for tire punctures. Everything you need is included, from plugs and strings to tools and lubricant. It's built to last with durable steel and zinc alloy construction, and high-quality rubber strips that resist aging and remain flexible. It's designed for quick and easy repairs, getting you back on the road in a flash. All the tools are neatly stored in a handy case. It works on various vehicles, from cars and motorcycles to trucks and even lawnmowers. It's an essential tool for any vehicle owner. We stand behind our product. Contact us anytime if you have questions. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit boasts 70 pieces, ensuring you have everything you need for any tire repair scenario. The high-quality materials and user-friendly design make repairs quick and efficient. If you want a comprehensive and reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These plugs work as expected. As a bonus, they come with some extra valve stems and caps. This kit is great for a serious DIYer. It has everything I need to fix a tire. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.